Hello students, why calcium floats on water when it is dipped in water? This is one commonly asked give reason for the class 10 exam. Calcium actually, it's denser. It's denser than the water. So initially it sinks. But after some time we find that it floats on the water. Why? When calcium is dipped in water, it reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, and in this reaction, along with the calcium hydroxide, hydrogen gas is released. And the hydrogen gas which is released, it sticks to the piece of that calcium. And this hydrogen gas bubbles makes that piece of calcium lighter, and because of this bubble which stick to this piece of calcium, the calcium piece floats on the water. So actually calcium is denser, but because of the hydrogen gas bubbles, it floats on the water. So hope this answer is quite clear to you. So this is one commonly asked question. So to get the updates of such interesting videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. And please do share our videos among your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.